Bill Goudy checking in. What a beautiful day, I'm telling you. This is one of my favorite places. It really is. I'm traveling today. I'm about 40 miles north of my home location. And yeah, I just love to stop here, and it overlooks the river. It's just an awesome, awesome view. And while I was here, I thought, well, shoot, I'll make a video for you guys, because this is not about the view. This is about what I got in the mail. Yeah, look at this. Cooking with Al. Outdoor cooking with Al. He does a lot of crock pot recipes. And he sent me one of these. And he has a lot of camp-made equipment as well. And if you look at this cookbook, it's just awesome. It lays out flat. It's just such a great idea. It will fit right in your pack. It's just awesome. Yeah, just a great thing. And you can get this at Camp Made. I'll put a link down below. And if you put in Goudy 20, guess what? Yeah, you'll get 20% off of this as well. You just can't beat it. Outdoor cooking with Al. I'll put his link as well down below. He has a lot of camp-made Dutch ovens, and he has all the equipment that I have. He's just a super nice guy, and he's really nice to send me this cookbook. Really was. Listen, I got a busy day planned. I got a lot of things going on. It's just been you just wouldn't believe how much stuff is happening right now for me. I'm on an adventure today. I'm picking up a car. I don't know, I'm on Highway 218, about 25 miles south of Iowa City. And I gotta pick up this car. It's broke down out here. And I gotta haul it back to Burlington. What an adventure, let me tell you. I'll check back with you later. Bill Goudy out. Oh man! I almost forgot. It's $14.99, and you get your 20% off if you put in Goudy 20. The link is down below. Thanks for watching. Bill Goudy really out this time.